Hello, welcome to Grace for Today. The footage that you just saw is something I woke up to this morning, and it reminded me of what Jesus said in the book of Matthew. He said that we as believers shouldn't worry about anything, and that we should look at the birds and how God's provided for them. You know, today being Friday was a great time to share this particular thought, because a lot of times we view our jobs as our source. We think that if we don't have a job, or if we lose a job, that we've lost everything. We need to realize that it's God that's given us that job, and God will give us another one. If you find yourself today unemployed or looking for work, you know, just expect God to provide something. Those birds, they don't sit in the tree all day long and wait for God to bring food to them. They actually get out of the tree and they go find what God has provided. God has provided everything we need, and all we have to do is look for it and expect it. I hope you will take to heart the scripture that I've just discussed with you, because it will help us a lot in our lives to get rid of worry and fear and unbelief if we'll just do what Jesus said. And it's very simple. Just look around you at the blessing. Look around you at how God supplies the needs of all of nature. And He loves us much more than He loves the birds. I want you to have a grace-filled day as you keep your eyes on Jesus.